This tumbler is not turning. The key's a little worn, but I'm guessing that it's the cylinder. So I'm gonna take this door apart and pull the tumbler out and see what I can do. Okay, my thought is to take this off and just try to pull the whole door handle off. So, release this linkage. Just flipping this up should let me pop this off. No such luck. I'm not getting anywhere with this. Ah, fuck. Well, breaking it works. So, mental note, order a new one if I ever have to do this again. Looks like this is another fragile link. Oh, there we go. Ooh, there's a window. A window into the soul. Let's open the window. Aha. Righty tightsy, lefty loosey. There we go. Gently, gently, gently. Oh, okay. There should be a retaining clip in here that pops off. Okay. Retaining clip. Yay. Got it. Oops. Pop right out. There's a retainer clip here. Let me pop that retainer clip off. Oh, maybe here. There we go. That worked. Let's not lose this guy. Retaining clip off. This piece also. This spring here pulls off the back. That's everything that's keeping it from pushing it forward. I just got to get this cap off. I feel like it's close. Ah, and it was. Okay. I don't know what that's all about. Oh, this is the slidey door. It's not a pin. What the heck is this? Like paper? And the slidey door spring goes like that. How do I get this thing to come down? All the rest of them go up and down. If I can't get that to go down, I can't get the doggone key to turn. Resort to the hammer. Ah, the hammer worked. I just tapped it down and boom, pop right out. I hated to resort to the hammer, but it looks like it took care of the job. I'm gonna clean this out really good. Oh, okay. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just gummed up. I mean, but it's really gummed up in there. Carefully get these springs out without pulling, without damaging the... And there's a spring. Let's spray the heck out of it. Where's my toothbrush? And not for my teeth. Toothbrush. Toothbrush. What's that part that's sticking right there? Damn it. Not sticking. Stuck one. Okay. This one is still sticking. And this one is still sticking. So 1 and 2. It's a number 3 pin. Remember that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm looking for a little piece of sandpaper. It's still sticking. My thought is that it's this pin right here. There's like something on it. If I just sand it down, I can remove that little edge. And I believe that that's what's causing the problem, whatever that edge is. Let's see if that helped. Because I know it's this piece. Come on. Man, these things are a pain. I think that's as good as I'm gonna get it. So now to lubricate this up. I'm doing it with the key in because I don't want the tumblers to fall back out. Let's stick this back in there. Pull the key out. Let's work it in. Does it look like it's sticking anymore? Nope. Put this spring on. This spring pin goes here, and then when this goes on, this leg, then that creates a spring back. So let's put that snap ring back on. There we go. Sweet. Oops. Wait. Alrighty. Finally this package came, and let's see what we have here. Okay, nice. Replacement clips. Okay, let's get the window rolled up. And then this retaining ring should snap into place. Just like that. And then this goes up underneath this little tricky spot here. It wiggles in like that. Let's get this one here. I like to hand tighten with a ratchet just so it doesn't over tighten. The impacts could be a little bit hard. Good. Oh, dang it. It's a good thing there's a lot of room in here to work. No room. Absolutely just kidding. But we make do best we can. Let's check the lock. Oh my God, that's so much better. That is sweet. Now for the door latch. Okay, my best guess is to snap the plastic piece in first. Yikes. And then put the lever in. Snapped right in. Nice. And then clipped it down. So far, so good. Alrighty. Let's get this door back on. Same way we took it off. Let's tilt this 90-degree angle and slip it through. And then twist down. Now it needs to come through more. So scared of breaking that plastic tab that I just replaced. There we go. Just gotta roll the window down. And get it over this door lock. And it should just go down and line up. Are we lined up? Looks like we're lined up. Let's get this slipped into its slot. And I want to test the door handle. Should I do it on the inside? No, I should do the outside. I know the outside works. So, unlock. Oh, hallelujah. It's working. So let's see, what are all the pieces that I have? Screws and screws. Oh, heck. It's going to be one of those screws that I find at the end, and I'm only going to say, where does this go? Let's check the window one more time, and the door handle one more time. Okay.
And it's just a matter of snapping this thing back on. Wow. Happy. Oh, I got tar on my arm. I don't recommend this. This is probably not safe. This is probably like some toxic crap that I'm rubbing in my skin. Oh, to WD-40. Here's another one. There she is. Clean up. Oh, God.